Hello dear friends, welcome to 𝐂𝐸𝐴 Textile Company. Like always, I'm gonna say thank you to all of you to give us a chance and visit our video. If you are new viewers, support our channel and like our video and subscribe our channel to get a regular new updates, videos and notifications about all of our videos. So guys, it's particular collections of dyed wear collections. In these dyed wear collections, you're gonna see some beautiful heavy work sarees, heavy fancy sarees, heavy party wear collections. All these kind of unique concepts you will get in these particular sections. Apart from this, we will manufacture different kind of ladies wear category: cotton, silk, lehenga, suits, chudidas, kurtis. These kind of exclusive ladies wear, women's wear categories we will manufacture at under one roof. Which you name it, 𝐂𝐸𝐴 Textile Company. So guys, start our video in this particular sections. First, in my hand, this kind of beautiful small stones, shining stones, sticking work are there, which give a completely new look. In this particular, you get these kind of beautiful threading tassels in all of our borders. Next one is this kind of net fabric, satin fabric, mixed this kind of concepts. You will get, if camera gonna zoom, then you will get this kind of beautiful sequence work which enhance and give the total shiny look of this particular collections. These kind of beautiful lining and checks wear patterns are there. There are some beautiful buttas are sticked there, which give a beautiful embroidery look in this particular dyed wear sarees. Next one, these kind of beautiful 𝐂𝐸𝐴 𝐬𝐿 small stones works are there, which give a unique and completely new look. First of all, let me say, we will not provide a single pieces. You have to purchase as a set wise. Set wise means this kind of bunch you will get. In this bunch, you will get all the 6 to 7 different color shades in each of our designs. These kind of bunch sets, in this bunch sets, you will get this kind of, that is not sticked in this kind of barcode system we will provide. In this barcode system, all of the informations about our product, like how was the fabric, what will be the price, and how many meters cut approx this saree will have. This kind of all of your questions will be clarified with this barcode system. There is not changes in the price according to the face of our customers. Frankly say, we will provide fixed and systematic rate in all of our product. Either you will be a wholesaler, retailer or housewise, any of you. So in next sarees, these kind of beautiful netwear sarees, these kind of small beautiful threading work are there. There is not any single cut pieces or damages in any of our sarees. See, there is no repetition in any of our designs and collections. There are completely new and next available sarees. See, this kind of beautiful sequence work, color threading work is there. This kind of beautifully latkans in, we will say in India. This kind of tassels you will get in any of our, all of our sarees. See, these kind of beautiful bridal wear heavy occasional collections you will get. See, this kind of all the very beautiful buttas are sticked in this, some 𝐂𝐸𝐴 𝐬𝐿, some small stones are sticked in this particular designs you will say. This kind of beautiful threading or tassels work in all of our borders or any of our pallu. See, these kind of beautiful mango kesari designs we will say, these kind of color concepts you will say. Any of our region, color, taste, or we will provide and manufacture here only. There is no foundations to purchase in our company. There is a two medium, always I will say in any of our video. One is online, another one is offline. If you are interested in visited our company, then most welcome, you will come and purchase your products. If you are not available or able to come here, then you can pick and place your order at a phone only. Only you will have to contact the screen available number. So guys, please, if you are new viewers, please subscribe our channels and get the regular and press the bell icon buttons to get the regular notifications updates of our videos. Give me any of your queries, quick reviews and opinions in our comment sections. Let me see you in the next video. Thank you.